BitFlyer Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to BitFlyer are in the description below. Let's dive straight into it. BitFlyer is one of the largest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, known for its simplicity and security. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as various trading pairs. BitFlyer's platform is designed for both beginners and experienced traders, making it an excellent choice for a wide audience. The user interface is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for those new to crypto. The exchange also offers both a web and mobile app, allowing users to trade on the go. One of BitFlyer's standout features is its security. It uses top-notch security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect user accounts. Additionally, BitFlyer is regulated in Japan and adheres to strict compliance standards, which adds an extra layer of trust for users. The platform's fees are competitive, with a low maker-taker fee structure, which benefits those who make market orders. BitFlyer also offers a simple fee structure, which helps users understand the cost of trading without any surprises. One downside, however, is that BitFlyer's trading volume is not as high as some other platforms, which could impact liquidity for some trades. For beginners, BitFlyer provides educational resources, which can help users get up to speed on cryptocurrency basics and market trends. Additionally, the platform supports crypto-to-fiat trading, allowing users to deposit and withdraw in their local currency, which is a great advantage for international users. However, one limitation of BitFlyer is that it doesn't offer as many altcoins as some other exchanges, which might be a deal breaker for those looking to trade niche or emerging cryptocurrencies. Despite this, BitFlyer remains a solid, reliable option for users seeking a safe and user-friendly platform for trading major cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a trustworthy, secure platform with easy-to-understand features, BitFlyer is worth checking out. Be sure to follow the links in the description for more details.